Hello guys, this is Market Makers, and in this video you will learn about true SMC and why you are always trapped by the market. A lot of SMC traders know how to trade. They know boss stock SMC, but they don't make any consistent profits. They catch and some people catch big moves but fail to hold due to bad management. They don't know how to control the trades, how if the trade will go on their right direction or not. I will tell you what happens with you. Just look at this and tell me if you agree with me or not. So, as a SMC trader, they will mark each and every order block. They don't know what exactly will work. And I would just want to say one thing on this is that they don't know what exact education is. The lack of good education is the bad education system, right? So what a normal SMC trader will do is they will mark all the order blocks. They will mark all the order blocks and they don't know what the trend is and they will try to sell in a wrong trend. They don't know what actually works and what actually doesn't, right? So they would want to buy and sell every trend. They will mark this order block, they will mark this, and in some trades they will make money, right? Because they are lucky, right? In some trades. So you see over here itself, this is a good example you can make out of it. So as a normal SMC trader will do, they will mark this as your order block, right? And they will also mark this area as your order block, right? So why are they marking this as their order block? Because they know boss chalk and they can mark this as their breakup structure. This is known as breakup structure, right? And after that they don't know where till market will come till, right? And they will mark all their order blocks and try to buy, put their entries on the order block, put their stop loss below the order block and target high, right? And they will do same over here too, right? And some aggressive buyers that are introduced in the market with this strategies, some try to enter, want to enter over here without knowing what exactly is going to happen, right? And what happens after that is market takes all your stop loss, all the liquidity, and they don't exactly know why is this happening. In many cases, in many areas, you also have been trapped. I know you also have been trapped in many areas, right? Ask to yourself. In several areas, you will also get trapped many times and you will get a stop loss hit. Let me show you what exactly you need to learn and what exactly you need to do to identify the real smart money trading. So guys, let me show you how we trade in the Academy and how I teach you all that how you should trade and how smart money concept is traded, right? So you see over here, market is in a bullish trend visible to your naked eyes, right? So your breakup structure happened over here and market is continuing moving to the upside, right? Let's see. Market has been forming your POIs over here. You see, this is a valid order block that has been formed, right? So people will mark this as their valid order block. This has also a little bit inefficiency and also the price has taken the inducement, right? So people mark this as their valid order block. Price has created a liquidity area. After giving a breakup structure, price has tapped to your demand area. So market is in a bullish trend, so I would probably look for buys. And my inducement over here was already taken. So I would be looking for buys over here. So I would put my entry over here, put my stop loss just below the order block, and my target would be my previous high, right? So you see 6 risk to reward trade that easily, right? So you also see after tapping my order block, price has also given me a liquidity area. If I zoom in a little bit, you see this was a trendline liquidity that had been formed and market has took all the liquidity to the downside. And you also see that the market is creating your equal highs liquidity, right? So I can expect that the price will take the liquidity and give me a little reaction, so I can also make another entry over here. You see, after the trend and liquidity was taken, I could have entered my trade over here, right? And my stop loss would be the same, right? So let's see what did the market do after that. You see, liquidity has been taken out, and I would now consider in lower time frame. I can consider to sell. I can consider to take a scalp trade, right? So if I take my scalp trade, I would enter my trade just above this and stop loss above this, and I would consider my targets over here. You see, 5 risk to reward trade just like that. Let's see how the market reacts. So you see, price pretty much give a good reaction after taking the liquidity, right? And it also give me another entry on this order block that has been created after taking the liquidity from the previous order block. So you see, market has now hit my target over here, and after that market has came over this supply area, consider supply area. So people are aggressively selling in this order block now. So what I would like to do is wait, because market is in a bullish trend. I would not look for sales, I would look for only buys. So what did the market do after that is market giving aggressive sellers reaction, and then market took all the liquidity of the sellers that were selling and put the stop loss above this. So market create liquidity areas. Market took the liquidity, and after this I can consider this as my flip entry module, right? So this is my flip entry module. I can trade directly, enter over here, or I would like for more wait for more confirmation after it's broken out completely and give me a good retest. So you see, market broke the structure quite successfully, and then it's giving me a good retest over here, right? You see, market is giving me a good retest, and my inducement is over. Just a second, I can put my stop loss below this, and target will be up. I can put my target like 5 risks to reward as I want. I can book my profits, but as SMC trader I would not trade anything minimum to 5 hour, right? So I would not consider trading any trades that is giving me less than 5 hour. Let's see what is the price doing now. So your inducement is over here now. After market takes this, and if market tap to your order block over here, then you can look for buys, you can look for possible buys, because market also give you a break of structure. Your break of structure happened over here, right? So market has now confirmed you that the market is in a bullish trend and it wants to continue moving upside. This is your swing high, and your swing low lies over here, and your new swing high, let's see where has it been creating. So you see, market has created your liquidity area again. This has been confirmed as your swing high, right? So you see, market has given you a channel kind of structure, equal areas, right? So now you can consider this as a liquidity area, and price will come to take a liquidity. You see, there is also an order block, bearish order block forming over here, and you can anticipate that the price will sweep this order block. Why? You see, because market is in a bullish trend and people are trying to sell in a bearish order block. This is a valid order block, because this order block has also taken the previous candle's liquidity, and you don't even need inducement to trade this order block because it has taken the liquidity. Let's see how did the market react. You see, order block has been swept. Now market is has taken the stop losses of the traders that were selling over here. So if this will be broken, then market will give a trend continuation. I would want to look for buys. If this will be flipped, then I would look for buys. Let's see what did the market do. You see, market took the liquidity above this stop loss and then respected this resistance area, right? Sweep the all the liquidity above this area, and now market is giving your respect to the resistance area. So you see, this can be marked as your order flow. Last buying area is this, your last buying area is your order flow. I would like to mark my order flow with this thing, and my order block is over here, because this order block candle also has taken my liquidity. So your main thing is your order flow. After order flow has been tapped, then your order block comes, right? So you see, market also need to have inefficiency and fair value gap in order for an order block to work. So I am anticipating after the liquidity has been taken, market wants to come down. Market wants to take the inducement, and this will be your inducement and also your change of character, because market has given your breakup structure over here, and after that this move give you a pullback over here, and if this is taken out, then this will be considered as your inducement. You see, my order flow has been tapped, right? So order flow, after tapping the order flow, price is also giving me rejections, so I can directly enter my trade over here. But my risks will be a little bit high because I would like to put my stop loss above the order block, right? And my target will be structural low, so that is almost 5 hour trade. So let's see what did the price do. You see, price has swept the inducement, and now we can look for buys, right? If we can look for buys, but you see, in this scenario, those who were looking to buy, considering this as your order block, those who were looking to buy are now trapped. You see, market give you a little bit reaction over here, market give you little bit of reaction over here, but then the price immediately shoot down. So it means that this can be your flip. Now this can also be your flip. You have to wait for the price to react. You see, your order flow, last order flow is over here, and after that order flow, your order block is over here. And where is your inducement? Where is your inducement? Because market swept this pullback, after taken out this inducement, I can sell. People are introduced over here considering this move as your order block. They consider this move as your order block, this candle, and they want to sell in this order block, putting their stop loss just above. But I would like to put my entry after this inducement is being taken. Then I would like to enter my trade and then put my target to the same area. Let's see how the price reacts. You see, as I said, price has taken the inducement now. Now price has taken the inducement. I can look for sales because market has taken the liquidity. After every swing point, the market, after every swing point there is liquidity which now needs to get swept, and the market has swept the liquidity. I can possibly look for sales, putting my stop loss just above this wick, and my target will be same, right? Let's see how the price reacts. You see, after inducement, price is giving me a very good reactions. Price is giving me very good reaction. You also see this was your order block, and price giving little bit reaction broke down directly with this move, and it has also been confirmed that now order block can be flipped. The demand order block can be flipped to now supply order block, so this can be considered as your flip. Let's see if the price comes to give me retest on the order block on this demand area, and then I will look for POI, my order block, and then enter my trade. So if I have to mark any POI, I would mark this as my POI because this has taken inducement, it has taken the liquidity. So this candle has liquidity, so I can directly enter my trade in this order block, right? So this is now your considerable order block. This is your order block. Now what would I want to do is I want to wait for the price to give me reactions. So you see, price also has given your change of character over here, which means price has now been shifted from bullish to bearish. After giving me change of character, price has given a pullback, and you see this is a valid inducement taken candle, and it's also an order block. So I have many confirmations to enter my trade. This is the extreme order block, and this is also a high probability order block because this has imbalance in it. I will go to lower time frame to check if the order block has given reactions and it has given me change of character in lower time frame. Let's see. You see over here too, this was a valid order block and people are introduced over here. But this is your trap. People don't know how to trade, so that is how we teach you in Academy. So this is your trap, right? So people want to enter their trade over here, but they forget that the price has already given your change of character and there is already been liquidity sweep, the inducement. So now what I want to do is I want to see if my demand has been flipped. You see it has successfully been flipped, right? So my demand has now been converted to supply zone. What I want to do is I want to wait until the price takes the inducement. So you see here is my inducement. After this inducement is taken, I can directly enter my trade in this order block, right? So if market give me any liquidity sweep or inducement, then I can look for entries. This was also the trap. Let me mark this for you. I have not marked this as the trap. So this is the smart money trap. So guys, we teach you in Academy all about these traps and where you have to trade. So guys, I hope I can help you all to improve your trading. So you can just check it out. The link is in the description. So you see price is already given my change of character, but aggressive buyers are trying to enter the trade in bullish order blocks, but they will fail because they don't know about it, how the market works. So you see price has also created this considerable equal highs, so there is liquidity sitting above it. So I would wait until my uh, entry is filled over here. I can directly enter my trade, put my stop loss above this wick, and my target will be same. So you see this almost 7 risk to reward trade. So you see here the order block has been tapped and my entry has been filled. So I will wait for the price to come to my target. But before that, you also see the price has given me a new order block. The chart has given me a new order block over here, and this will be your single candle mitigation entry. So this can be considered as your POI. If the price taps this order block, then you can also enter. This is your POI. You can enter over here, and your but your risk to reward will be a little bit bad. Your stop loss will be above this order block, or your safer stop loss will be above this order block, right? So if my stop loss will hit, I can probably enter another trade, and my target will be the structural low. Let's see how the price reacts. You see over here the single candle mitigation entry has been filled. My entry has been filled over here, and price is moving toward my entry, I mean the target. So that was the live chart itself, guys. So that's how we trade in Academy. So that's if you want to learn, the link is in the description, guys. So that was how true SMC and psychological trading works. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.